Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Prodigy. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common challenge many of us face, staying fit and active while traveling. Whether you're jet setting for work or going on a vacation, maintaining your health and fitness goals can be a struggle, but worry not because we got you covered. In this video, we'll share some practical tips and strategies to help you stay fit and active while on the go. So let's dive right in. Before you embark on your journey, it's crucial to plan ahead to ensure you prioritize your health and fitness goals. Here are a few tips to get you started. Research accommodations. Look for hotels or accommodations that offer fitness facilities or access to nearby gyms. This will make it easier to incorporate exercise into your routine. Pack smart. Don't forget to pack your workout gear, including comfortable shoes, resistant bands, or a jump rope. These lightweight items won't take up much space but can make a big difference in keeping you active. While exploring new destinations, make the most of your sightseeing experiences by incorporating physical activity. Here are some ideas. Walking tours. Opt for walking tours instead of bus tours, wherever possible. This way, you'll get to explore the city while burning calories. Outdoor activities. Research outdoor activities available at your destination, such as hiking, cycling, or kayaking. Not only will you enjoy the scenery, but you'll also engage in a fun and active experience. Long flights or road trips can leave you feeling stiff and lethargic. Here are a few exercises to stay active during your journey. In-flight exercises. Perform simple exercises like ankle circles, shoulder rolls, and seated stretches to keep your blood flowing and muscles relaxed during a flight. Rest stop workouts. During road trips, take advantage of rest stops to stretch your legs, do some jumping jacks, or perform a quick bodyweight workout. It will boost your energy levels and prevent muscle stiffness. When you're stuck in your hotel room with limited equipment, high-intensity interval training, HIIT workouts are your best friend. Let's explore some options. Bodyweight HIIT. Design a circuit of bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, push-ups, and burpees. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds with short rest intervals in between. HIIT apps and YouTube videos. Utilize fitness apps or search YouTube for quick HIIT workouts that require minimal space and equipment. These resources offer a variety of routines suitable for all fitness levels. Maintaining a healthy diet while traveling can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here's how you can make smarter food choices. Pack snacks. Bring along nutritious snacks like fresh fruit, trail mix, or protein bars to curb unhealthy cravings and prevent you from indulging in unhealthy airport or convenience store food. Research local cuisine. Look for local restaurants that offer healthy menu options. Offer lean proteins, fresh vegetables, or whole grains to fuel your body with nourishing foods. And there you have it, our top tips on how to stay fit and active while traveling. Remember, your health should never take a backseat, even when you're on the move. By planning ahead, incorporating physical activity into your sightseeing, performing in-flight activities, and utilizing HIIT workouts in your hotel room, you can stay on track with your fitness goals. Additionally, make mindful food choices and indulge in local cuisine while prioritizing nutritious options. So go out there, explore the world, and stay healthy while doing it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Safe travels, everyone.